Hey, welcome back to Auntie Knows Kitchen. Right now I'm getting ready to fry some old-fashioned catfish nuggets and a couple of whiting fillets. So let me adjust this camera so you can see what's going on, and we'll get to talking and we'll get to cooking. Thanks for stopping in to Auntie Knows Kitchen. Alright, welcome back. I got a couple of catfish nuggets over here on this side. And these are some whiting fillets. They're skinless. And I know, a lot of people like that crispy skin. And when I used to eat fish, I've never liked whiting, but my mother-in-law does. And so I'm gonna get started with this. Now, every Friday during the summer, me and my granddaddy used to go fishing. We would catch catfish, trout, bass. We would go fishing on the pond. And he used to say I talked too much and I was scared to fish away. I think they were just as well trying to get me to shut up. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna do these catfish nuggets first. And you know what? I'm telling you, I went back. I'm doing just a straight recipe of what I grew up on. No Old Bay, none of that. It's just straight flour, some cornmeal with a little flour in it, some salt, black pepper. I use some seasoned salt instead of regular salt, black pepper, and a hot cast iron skillet. That's it. Nothing special. That's it. Not 10 ingredients. This is it. This is what, after we came home, back from that pond, because all we had to do was walk down through the woods, because the pond was right next to all the gardens, because my grandmama didn't, everything was there in the garden. But gonna let these brown, because my mother-in-law already has called, Michelle, can I pick up some food? So I'm gonna get my line tray over here, so I'll be able to just take these and put them on the tray, move my canisters out the way. I cannot stand an overcrowded workstation. I can't do. Fish is one of the most easiest things to cook. It is one of the most easiest things to cook. Catfish is such a soft, mellow fish. Very soft. A lot of people don't like catfish. And some people don't eat catfish for reasons because they don't have scales. So when I had my surf and turf, I did serve tilapia. Tilapia doesn't have scales, so I cooked the tilapia first and put it on the buffet, and then I cooked the tilapia second, because you want to always respect your guests. You want to always respect your guests. But my mother-in-law, she don't care. She just wants her fish. So, like I said, if I was putting this on my buffet bar, this would never happen. So, I'm going to fry this up and be back in a bit. Alright, guys, I'm getting ready to take the nuggets out, because, let you see how pretty they are. Look at there, nice and golden brown. I'm telling you, cast iron skillet makes all the difference when you frying. Well, I have a cast iron Dutch oven that I you know, to fry chicken in, but I also have that deep fryer to fry in, because I'm not going to tell you a lie that every time somebody, I don't fry food, really. I just brought out my little fry thingy and I started doing YouTube videos, because I don't fry food, really. So here are these nuggets. It's just a couple of them, because it's just 2 of them. So I'm going to get these last 2 fillets in. These are, well, no, I thought it was 2. I had cut one in half. I'm going to flip this one. Oh, look how, oh, that is such a pretty brown. Such a beautiful brown. Put this newborn baby here. But I have one more large one. Again, remember what I talked about in earlier videos, that you do not overcrowd your pan. Now see, like I said, this is about almost 2 cups of flour to a half a cup of, 2 cups of regular cornmeal, except rice, because it's only cornmeal I buy, to a half a cup of all-purpose flour with black pepper, salt, like I said, but I use seasoned salt. Back in the day, my grandmama used to use a paper bag. I don't have paper, I just use this plain old Ziploc bag, shake it up, and then I'm going to toss it, but I won't be using this big. Remember, I use 2 spatulas, because I'm using this because it's coming in contact with the raw. And once it starts to cook, I use this to flip and to take out. You see this? Look how pretty that is. Just beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Remember I said fish is the easiest thing you can cook. Beautiful. Look there. How golden brown that is. I can just pick this up with my little fingers. I don't need that dirty anymore. Throw that away. Turn these over to flip. And I'm going to move this out the way because I'm done with this. See, I can use this because this has started cooking. And I'm going to flip that over again because I want this just as pretty as these other ones were. So, see, this little chunk didn't take that long. Make sure I keep the whiting separate. Make sure I keep my whiting separate from that, because I want to be able to tell the difference. Put that over some more. And see, guys, this just straight southern fried whiting fish and a couple of catfish nuggets. Nothing special, spectacular. You know, you don't need to, you know, unless you like adding 6, 7 herbs and spices. I'm not KFC. I'm Auntie Knows. So this is done. So I'm going to turn off this heat because I don't need this grease to continue to keep getting hot. So to make sure that does not happen, Mother is going to make sure of that by moving this to the back. And bringing this to the front. Look at there. Turn this around for you guys to see. These are the nuggets, nice and golden. And this is the whiting. Thank you guys for stopping in to Auntie Knows Kitchen for my video on southern fried catfish and some southern fried whiting fillets. These are skillets. Like and subscribe until the next recipe, the next show. Check you out later. Again, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for see you with all this. Hey, things happen. Like I said, if I mess up, I'm not doing a retake. It's just everything's gonna just keep rolling. All right, thanks again. Like and subscribe to Auntie Knows Kitchen.